Hi guys, so this is week 4, welcome. Today we're going to study about the verb to be, one of the most important parts of the English language. Unlike other verbs in English, to be is conjugated. In other words, it changes according to grammatical, person and number. Later, we'll see some examples of how the verb to be is used in the present tense. But first, let's review the personal pronouns in English. Okay, are we ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to review these 7 first. Okay? Okay. I. Okay? I. You. I means myself. You means the person that you are talking to. We is a group that includes me. Okay, so a group that I am part of. They is a group of people that I am not part of. He we use for a man or a boy. She we use for a woman or a girl. It we use for a thing. We cannot use it with human beings. Okay, so it we would use with it is a table, it is a chair, it is a stick. But we cannot say it is a boy, it is a girl. Okay, we cannot use that. Okay, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll up to here and we're going to stop. To form a simple sentence to say that you are a student, we need the connecting verb to be. I am a student. If I just said, I am a student, it would not make sense yet. So we have to say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Is that okay? No, that's not okay. We must use the verb to be to help the sentence. So, I am a student. Now, for this type of sentence, you can choose any other persons, and use the proper form of to be. To be has 3 auxiliary. It has am, I am, is, he, she, it. We'll do that later on when we come down here. And the final one is are. So we have am, is, are. He or she is a student. Where is the verb to be? Well done. The verb to be is here. Is. We are doctors. We are doctors. Where is the verb to be in this sentence? Okay, well done. That's correct. The verb to be is are. You are a student. Okay, where is the verb to be in this sentence? Correct, well done. It is are. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the table to see how to form sentences in the present simple tense using the verb to be. Now, how many do we have in the verb to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Well done. We have 3. We have am, is, are. Okay? Right, so first it says affirmative. Affirmative means positive. Okay? I am a teacher. That is affirmative, positive. Negative. Negative is when it's not true, okay? So, I am a student. That's not true, yeah? So I would say, I am not a student. Interrogative is a long word, yeah? But all it means is question. Okay? Now, if we look here, it says full and short. Now, on week 1, week 2, and week 3, we touched on contractions. Okay? Now, I am. If we make it a contraction, all we do is we take off the A and we add an apostrophe, and it makes it I'm. Okay? So let's go through this first. Affirmative, I am. If it's a short contraction, we say I'm. You are. Again, we take out the vowel and put the apostrophe, like this. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. Now we're looking at we are, we're. They are, there. This is. We do not have an apostrophe for this is. Okay, so we can take out this vowel I and put an apostrophe. Okay, so we must write it in the full term. This is. That is. Now that is, we can make it a contraction, so we can make it short. All we do is we take out the vowel and we put in an apostrophe. Okay, so this is, we do not have the short form, but that is, we do. That is, that. Okay, so first of all, negative, things that are not true. Okay, so I am not. Okay, so you are a student. So you would say, I am not a teacher. Or you could say, if you're a boy, I am not a girl. If you're a girl, you can say, I am not a boy. Now all that's happening is we're just adding not. You see, I am for affirmative, which means positive. All we're doing is just adding not. Okay, so I am not. You are not. If it's negative, short, again, we just use the apostrophe. You aren't. Okay, so we take the vowel from O, the vowel from not, and we put an apostrophe. You aren't. Again, he is not, he isn't. We take out the vowel from not and we put up the apostrophe. So we can do that for all of the not. Okay? So let's read it. We have the positive, negative, and question. Positive, we have already covered. Okay? Now we're going to start again from the start with the negative. I am not. We don't have a short one. Like, same as this is, we don't have a short one. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. Now we're moving on to we are not. We aren't. They are not. They aren't. This is not. This isn't. Now this one here we have a short because this is, we do not have short here, we cannot make a contraction, but this one here has not. So we can make the contraction there. We just take out the O and add apostrophe. This isn't. That is not. That isn't. Now when we look at the question, when we look at the question, if we look at the affirmative, which is positive, I am. When we want to make it a question, all we do is switch am with I. Okay, so the question will be, am I? What do you think we're going to do with this? We are going to switch. So what are we going to use to make the question for you are? Good. We're going to switch it to are you. What are we going to use for he is? Good. What are we going to use for she is? Good. What are we going to use for it is? Good. We are. Well done. Good. They are. Good. This is. That is. Okay. So this part here, when it's affirmative, positive, when we want to change it to interrogative, which is a question, all we do is switch. We put am at the front and I behind the behind the am. So, am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are they? Is this? Is that? Okay? Now, I want you can pause and look through this, yeah? And make sure that you understand this is very, very important, one of the most important parts of the English language, okay? You can see that there is a short form we call contraction, used when writing the verb to be. And an apostrophe is used to form it. I am equals I'm. She is equals, good, she's. Okay, and it goes on and on. In English, word order is very important. Okay, it's subject plus verb plus object. Okay? Okay, thank you.